Okay, day 18. Haven't worked out yet. I'm going to get something done today. Just did a little studying. Got to do my Spanish. Don't know if I'm going to wait till tonight. I'm almost done with the A1.1s. I'll actually be done by the end of this weekend. Then I'll go into A1.2s. And of course, I've already done the A1.1s before. I'm just doing it again because I didn't feel like I got much out of it. And to be honest, with real estate, things got so bad a couple of weeks ago. I didn't have time to get into it. So it's almost like I didn't get much out of it this time either. So it's almost like I need to go back a step or two. I don't know if I want to after doing this twice. So what I'm going to do is a little bit of a follow-up on, shoot, I need to run out here. I should have went and grabbed that before I even started this video. So I've already discussed how this this one here, you see, you can't even see it. Oh, there we go. See, it's just so faint. But I was able, wait a minute. This isn't it. It's still in my workroom. Now you're gonna have a little break in this. Maybe I'll edit it. Let's see. Well, ain't that a bitch? I can't find it. So it was gonna be hard for me to explain what went on last night. So I did another one. No, was able to complete, and I actually went ahead and done what I should have done is I've set them up for Wi-Fi so I can do it from the computer I already have in there. And because I was afraid of just mixing the two lasers because of the M1 and the D1. But it actually did it successfully, got the Wi-Fi set. I never was able to get the Wi-Fi working right on the M1, but now I have it working right. And I think it's because I took the, one of my, because I actually have two Wi-Fis in the house. Don't ask why. Tech shit. One's on a Wi-Fi 6, one's a regular Wi-Fi 5, I don't know, whatever. So the Wi-Fi 6 is mesh, and I have it at the 5 whatever gigahertz. And for whatever reason, machines like that like to operate at 2 point whatever megahertz. I ain't gonna look it up. So I changed the signal for something else to work, unrelated, and I just never went back to get the Wi-Fi going since I had a dedicated computer. But now that I have the 2 lasers and actually 3 in there, yeah, 3 in there, I just went ahead and tried it yesterday. I got it work. As a matter of fact, it's been beautiful. From my big ass computer here, I can actually control the lasers in there, even though because they're xTool, which is another safety feature, I got to go walk in there and push the buttons and shit. But at least I can be in comfort instead of standing or stooping over and stuff like that. But anyway, I wish I could find it. I don't know where it's at. I'm just pissing myself off. I did the other dog tag. I printed or lasered it out. So here's what I noticed. It came out nice. That's why I wish you could see it. Don't know what I did with it last night because I finished so late at night. But here's where the issue came in. I noticed it, like the top portion was like dark, and then it got lighter as it went down. So I'm like, what the heck? And what I also noticed when I was holding it, like the top portion, as a matter of fact, it's almost like this one kind of. Top portion was actually engraved in, whereas the bottom portion was like marked. So you could like feel, so I could feel this and I can't feel this. That's what happened. So it's like as it went down, it got lighter. So I don't know. Also last night I did this. It's the same thing. I just did it on one of these little thin metal business cards slash marking cards, as they call them, for, I think, who called them that? One of the lasers I have, the one that somebody has right now, because I don't know, I may eventually just tell her she can just keep the damn laser. But this was the Wayne Lux L3. That damn thing cost nearly $1,000. Giving away $1,000 to somebody, man, that ain't right. So here it is. I think I need to have my assistant make the stuff thinner, because you can see that it like really blends in there. But here's where it gets real interesting last night. Really interesting. So I decided to change the laser head out and put the 20 watt in and try to burn it at full power to see what happened. This is what happened. If you don't notice what happened here, it bent the F out of it because it was so powerful. In all honesty, you can't tell the difference from what you can like see before it just, because it smoked it up. Actually, long story short, I have tinnitus from flying jets. Yes, that is a real helmet. Yes, I was really in the Air Force. Yes, I'm retired from the Air Force. So yeah, that's my real helmet there that I flew with in the Air Force. So from flying jets and stuff, I have tinnitus. So I heard this beep last night, and it's like I thought I was having a tinnitus attack. And then I went like, am I having an attack? Then I realized, because the little smoke detector never went off before, this thing smoked up. But that 20 watt is powerful as hell, man. Yeah, it bent this up. It just went up in there. You can just like see it on the back and everything. The worst part is I actually straightened this thing out before I realized I probably wanted to show you guys this. So still got to experiment a little bit more, but interesting little development there. Still, I'm worried. I got to get into light burn, because I have light burn, but I never really got that deep into it. This XCS is so easy, but I probably need to do it because I need to get it to see if it has hatching, because the hatching and the frequency control, that really means a lot. Because I can see it like when I've burnt stuff on the M1, based on the frequency is how the thing looked. So I can have it at 100% power all the time. It didn't matter what the speed was, it was that frequency. And for certain things, especially lettering, it was the hatching. So you get those effects with hatching. If you ever look at a video on YouTube or something where somebody's got a nice laser fiber, like a 30 watt or something, and you see the stuff they're doing, it's going over it multiple passes to do the effects using the hatching. We need the hatching, or else I really need to keep the M1, because I was going to just get rid of the damn M1 because I don't need it, because it's 70 by 70 millimeters, which is like 3 by 3 inches. It's like 2.9 by 2. Hold on. Alexa, convert 70 millimeters to inches.
70 millimeters is about 2.8 inches.
Okay, 2.8 inches. So you just got this little bitty stamp of a size. So anywho, I got that done. I can see from my notification here, wife just entered the garage with my breakfast from Carl's Jr. So I didn't even tell her what type of burrito I wanted, because they have this green chili burrito. It didn't seem like it was a breakfast burrito, but it's a breakfast burrito. But I want to go eat that. I'll see you guys tomorrow.